Hi guys, how are you today? This is Joyce from Rainpack. Welcome to our channel. The Spout Mylar bags are mostly used for packing the liquid, such as milk, beer, baby food, and soda. And we can see the Spout Mylar bags on the shelf in the supermarket. The Spout Mylar bags is to add a spout on the sealed bag so that the product in the bag can be poured out from the mouth of the spout. The spout on the Spout Mylar bag can control the amount of the products flowing out, and it is also resealable. To distinguish from the bag type, the spout bags are divided into flat spout bags and stand-up spout bags. Stand-up spout bags are the most popular type of the spout bag, which can stand on its own and it is easy to display it on the shelf. When we're making the Spout Mylar bag, the leak-proof performance is the first consideration. We always recommend using the nylon and PE as the material of the Spout Mylar bag, because the liquid will easily change its flavor and lose the original nutrition when exposed to light. We will also recommend putting AL or VMPET to enhance the function of the barrier property. Besides, the Spout Mylar bag can be printed any logo, design, and patterns on it. If you have any interest, please feel free to contact us. See you next time. Bye.